Get the answers you need from the data you have. Hi, I'm Jacoby, and for more than 30 years, I've been helping corporations, government agencies, and individuals get answers and solve complex problems using Excel. Even beginners can learn these techniques. At the end of this course, you will be able to take any mess of data, pull it together into a nice form so you understand it, and analyze it so the insights fall right out of it. You'll be able to build pivot tables for any type of question you might have, summarize, analyze, and find those key drivers. You'll learn other powerful techniques like sort, filter, VLOOKUP, and more. Most importantly, you'll hone your skills on real-life, personal and business case studies. All you need is basic Excel. Any version, any platform. Join me as we draw insights out of data.